On Module 2, you are going to learn how to modify your ePortfolio homepage. First thing that you do is you go where it says your page title, you double click, and you're going to start typing in your first name, space, and last name. So I'm going to show you an example using my name and my last name. And I'm going to put here capital E / portfolio. And so what I do here is I press enter so that I can separate it, so that anybody that visits my page can see that this is going to be my portfolio. Next section is your autobiography. As you can tell, I have this section here and this section here. I left this as a template for you to see what can you include in your biography. So it says here are some common topics that are often included in your autobiography outline. When and where were you born, background on your father and your mother, your childhood years, your teenage years, your education, hopes for the future, hobbies, your interests, your high school, your life lessons, if you traveled, and anything else that you want to include. So when you're ready to start typing out your autobiography, you click here and you start typing away. And after you're done with that, you are going to upload a self-portrait. So how do you do that? You're going to click on the plus sign and you're going to click on upload. From there, I'm going to select this picture that I have on my computer. And I just can resize it so that it matches. It just looks the whole picture here. After I'm done with my autobiography that I typed and I uploaded, I am ready to go down here, click on the autobiography and press delete. And right here at the same time, this bottom one, press delete, because we already used that to help us out to write or to type out our autobiography. So what we do is select this bottom part here, and there's a little trash can. Click on it and it will remove it for you. So after you're done with your autobiography, you go down to your goals. What do you type out on goals? Well, your educational goals. It says, what are your educational goals and plans? List your goals and plans here. So that means that you're going to start typing away your educational goals here. After you typed these out, you go down here, click on all this, the bottom part, because it already served its purpose, and click on remove. After that, you are done modifying your autobiography and your goals section in your ePortfolio main page.